In this video, we will look at the instructions for getting Office 365. If you click on this page in Canvas, it gives you a little bit of details about what you have available, like up to 5 computers, access to OneDrive, etc. But the instructions that we are indicating here can be found on this page. This link can be used. And the instructions are that you need to log into your MyDMAC with your network and username and password. And then you should see along the left-hand side an option for Office 365. You will click on that, and then it will download and give you instructions to install Office 365. Once the installer is finished, you need to run the installer, and that depends on whether you're on a Windows machine or on a Mac. That might be a little bit different. Please notice on an Apple device, the operating system should be 12.7.6 or greater. If it's not, then we might have to contact DMAC tech support in order to see if you can get an earlier or a later version, I guess. Well, you'd have to check to see if the machine what your options are. I'll be honest, you have to contact DMAC tech support. Okay, so the installation could take up to 10 minutes, it says, and you will need to log in with your DMAC username and password when you get things set up. So that is the best thing to do, is to try to follow these directions. If they don't work, you could try to go to get Office 365. If you do this one, you will say get started. And then you'll need to use your DMAC email and proceed to make an account and see if that allows you to download. The other option here that is on our page is that you could try to go to this portal. And I might actually try this portal because you can click right on Install Office. And then again, it's going to ask you for your DMAC email. And it's your DMAC email and login that actually gets you set up and gets you access to that software. So somewhere along the way, you will need to log in with your DMAC email and password. So give those things a try. And if that does not work, your best bet is to contact DMAC tech support. So if you go to the tech support homepage at DMAC, you can click on tech support and then tell them what you are having issues with, and they maybe can even help you via the phone, or you can go into the tech support if you need some additional help. So if you are having problems with that, please try those things and then let me know if all of those things fail, and I'll help you get a hold of tech support if you can't manage that, or if you're having problems doing that. Okay, so good luck installing that software.